culture of innovation amongst all higher education institutions. The primary mandate of IICBIT has always been to encourage, inspire, and nurture its students by supporting them to borrow with new ideas and transform their prototypes into success stories.
So, taking part in this initiative, Institution Innovation Council of Bengal Institute of Technology present 3-day workshop on Roadmap for Developing Entrepreneurial Skills through IoT Solutions. I am Saimani from CSC second year.
And I am Sapuna from EC second year. We would be your host for today.
We welcome our guest speaker, Professor Subhajit Bhoumik sir, with flower felicitation by Anindita Shah, first year CSC.
Thank you, Anindita. We welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Ansar Ali sir, with flower felicitation by Pritesh Singh, first year CSC.
Thank you, Pritesh. Before we start the event, I would like to invite our esteemed principal in charge, Professor Dr. Madhusudan Devnath sir, Professor Subhajit Bhoumik sir, and Mr. Ansar Ali sir, and IIC President Professor Dr. Arpita Chakraborty to join us on stage.
Good evening, everybody. We are privileged to have with us our guest speakers and resource persons from Techno campus, Department of EIE. In that sense, by default, they are the family member of our VIT college. So, students, the topic is on related with the IoT, that is Internet of Things, and on this there is a roadmap workshop, and the students what who are listening and learning from our IoT platform, these are extremely beneficial for your directly or indirectly for your future as well as for present career. Now, what are you learning here? These are most recently developed subjects and methodologies, and the current notion or method of education. The education is that the whole education system should be under OBE. OBE means outcome-based education. That is the policy introduced by our IICBIT and MOE, Ministry of Education, Government of India, and which is mandatory for all. So students attend all the IIC seminars, workshops very sincerely, and a little bit effort will give you a great reward in future. So if you come out, feel free to interact with our guest speakers, and you will feel, I think, you will be enlightened after the talk. So, all IIC team members, my dear colleague friends, and dear students, let us enrich ourselves through the IoT roadmap workshop. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious words.
I would like to request our respected IIC President, Professor Dr. Arpita Chakraborty, to share her informed views on this workshop with us.
Very good afternoon, all of you, my dear students, colleagues, and principal in charge, sir, and our guest speaker for today. We heartily welcome all of you for today's workshop. And students, today you are fortunate enough that today we are organizing this hands-on workshop, 3 days hands-on workshop actually. For these days, you must have heard so many things, theoretical things in many seminars and all. Even yesterday also I had taken a session, those who have attended you must be knowing. I had given the glimpses on how to make the prototypes, and then from prototype how to convert it into a product. So these things we have already discussed theoretically, okay. And we have also promised that many things are upcoming, like many hackathons, competitions, product fair. So you have to be prepared with those things, right? You have to be skilled. So for that, you need to be equipped with some tools, right? So when we are talking about so many things, making projects and prototypes, then to convert into product, that comes later. But to make a prototype, first of all, you must be having some basic knowledge, right? So to gather those knowledge, we have organized this 3 days workshop in this week, and in the coming week also some technical workshops are there, Python for data science. So I hope you'll all of you will join all these workshops enthusiastically, and please learn these things hands-on, so that you can, after that events which are upcoming, you can take part and you can make wonderful projects. You have so many ideas. We have conducted ideation competition, and we have seen that most of you are having wonderful ideas. Now we want the implementation, right? So for implementation, the theory, apart from the theory, the hands-on things which are required, you'll be gaining knowledge from these workshops only. So we hope that this workshop will be a great success through your holistic participation, isn't it? So are you ready? Yes. All of you? Yes. And how many of you are having laptop today? Many of you are having, no problem, no issues. We are having arrangement in the first floor. Shobhan sir will guide you obviously, and Tripti ma'am is also there. And I must thank Shobhan sir, Professor Shobhan Nandi sir, and Professor Tripti Majumdar ma'am, the SDA coordinator, for organizing this event, this workshop. So without wasting further time, we should directly plunge into the workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious words.
Today is a momentous occasion as we gather here for a 3 days workshop organized by IICBIT, where we have the pleasure of learning from our esteemed speaker, Professor Subhajit Bhoumik, an assistant professor in the EIE department at CMSL.
Professor Subhajit Bhoumik sir is a renowned expert in IoT with an impressive background, and his invaluable expertise and experience will help us understand how IoT can be leveraged to create innovative solutions to real-world problems.
With his insightful and knowledgeable hands-on session on how IoT solutions can be utilized to develop entrepreneurial skills, this workshop promises to provide all participants the comprehensive understanding of the subject.
I hope that this workshop will be an engaging and enriching experience for all, and that we will all benefit from the wisdom and expertise of our distinguished speaker.
Now I would like to hand it over to sir to continue the session. Over to you, sir. I would request our respected faculty members to come back to the seats.
The backbenchers, please come to the front. Please. For project purpose, use. This is a basic block diagram of this. Then this, what is the picture of this? Everyone knows Arduino, na? Arduino, you know. Okay. Which microcontroller? This one? No. Which type? Please write down these things. If any kind of exam present, this MCQ part come. AVR type. A different kind of microcontroller present in the market. AVR, ARA, different feature also the present. Okay. These are which type of microcontroller? AVR. But you are correct. Which microcontroller IC present? ATmega 328. This one. Why this board is very popular? Heart of this board is this one. This microcontroller IC, ATmega 328. But why this board is so popular?